In today's video, I will walk you through how to use TradingView charts on BingX. Want to make better trading decisions on BingX? One of the most powerful tools available is the built-in TradingView chart. It gives you professional charting features, technical indicators, and drawing tools to help analyze the market before placing a trade. Let's get started. Start by logging into your account. Tap Markets or navigate to Spot Trading, then select the cryptocurrency pair you want to analyze, such as BTC to USDT or ETH to USDT. Once the trading page opens, you'll see the live price chart near the top of the screen. If BingX offers multiple chart views, tap the Chart Settings or Chart Type option and choose TradingView. The TradingView interface provides more advanced charting features than the basic chart, making it easier to analyze price movements and identify trading opportunities. You can pinch to zoom in or out and drag the chart left or right to explore previous price action. At the top of the chart, you'll find different time intervals. You can switch between 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or even longer timeframes depending on your trading style. Shorter timeframes are useful for day traders, while longer timeframes help identify overall market trends for swing or long-term traders. TradingView also lets you add technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. Simply tap the Indicators button and select the one you want to display. You can also use drawing tools, such as trend lines, horizontal support and resistance lines, or Fibonacci retracements to better analyze market structure. These tools help you identify potential entry points, exit targets, and trend direction. And that's how you use TradingView charts on BingX.